Hey there, space enthusiasts. Ever wondered what happens when galaxies collide? Buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a journey to the future, where our very own Milky Way will clash with the Andromeda Galaxy. First off, mark your calendars for about 4.5 billion years from now. That's when the Milky Way and Andromeda are expected to start their cosmic dance. Imagine two massive spirals of stars, gas and dust slowly merging together. Sounds epic, right? But here's a fun fact. The beginning of this galactic collision has already started. In 2022, NASA scientists discovered that the halo of the Andromeda Galaxy has already begun to merge with our Milky Way. Yep, that's right, space is pretty wild. Now you might be wondering what will happen during this collision. Well, the stars in both galaxies are so far apart that they won't actually crash into each other. Instead, they'll pass by one another, pulled by gravity, creating a beautiful dance of light and movement. It's like a cosmic ballet. Over millions of years, the two galaxies will continue to interact and eventually, they will merge into a new galaxy, often called Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. This new galaxy will be an elliptical galaxy, a far cry from the spiral shapes we're used to. But don't worry, our solar system is expected to survive this grand event, though its position in this new galaxy will shift. So what does this mean for us right now? Not much will change in our lifetimes, but knowing that our galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda adds a sense of wonder and excitement to the night sky. It's a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing our universe is. If you enjoyed this cosmic update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content. Thanks for watching and